Hello. You know, I've been sitting at this desk 10 hours a day for 10 weeks and I've got sore hips. Fortunately, I've been working on some chair exercises that can take that hip pain away because I need them, because at the moment I think of this chair as my enemy. Here are some exercises that are going to make the chair my friend. So let's just imagine I've had an hour sitting at the desk. Time for a little exercise break. Chair sit squat. Let's take the elbows out a little to the side. We can do it one-legged. Still facing forward, go to the back of the chair. For a good morning. We can do it with one leg and the chair's going to help us a little bit. Down we go. Arm action. Down we go. Arm action. Still one more facing forward. Marriage proposal. Just up and down into marriage proposal. We can do the other side. And then rolling Sir Galahad. Hand on the vertical thigh, take it high. And here we go. Belly button's back and then belly button forward and down. And imagine you're a cowboy holding your cowboy hat up. Rolling Sir Galahad. So that's 3 exercises facing forwards. Now we can have 3 exercises facing backwards. Find the right position that you can take yourself into puppy pose. And from there, a bent knee and chair push-up. Second exercise facing backwards. 1 bent knee, 1 straight leg, rocking forward and back. We can look left and right to change the stretch on the inside leg. Chair back hip dips. Just send the hips back and down. We can take the legs out a bit more for a bit more challenge. Notice how I'm taking my toes up towards my kneecaps. So that was 3 exercises facing forward, 3 exercises facing back. We now have some stretches. 3 stretches on the chair seat. Lean on the knee. Lean on the knee. Just make sure the shoulder goes down. Not so easy if you're really stiff. A little bit of fun. Second exercise facing forward. Try putting your toe in your mouth. Not today, maybe. This is my stiff side. Third exercise on the chair seat. Hug a knee to the opposite chest. And sitting a little bit tall. Shoulders side to side. Shoulders side to side. 2 exercises behind the chair. I'm just going to turn the chair around. Warrior pose. We'll gentle ourselves into this. Got my feet right. Okay, so one arm out. Now 2 arms. And the other side. Just get these feet right. I'm going pigeon toeing a little on this side. And just get the action going. 1 arm out. 2 arms out. Triangle pose. So you see the feet are in a triangle, pigeon toeing a little bit. So take the back of the hand, slide it down the knee. Push the hip back, push the ribs down, and open out. Change the feet over, pigeon toe, slide the back of the hand down, hip back, ribs down, open out in front. And 1 exercise alongside the chair. Do the splits. Look left and right. Find a useful stretch. Do the splits. I'm taking the outside leg along, so it's like a triangle. Hand, knee, heel. It's like a triangle for good support. Do the splits. Left, right, left, right. And so I think you can see we've done 6 exercises, 6 stretches, and there's lots of room for improvement in those stretches. So you'll never have a dull day sitting in a chair ever again. And this is how you can make your chair your friend.